Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, Celestial Space Facts. In this video, we will know about Enceladus. Enceladus, second nearest of major regular moons of Saturn and big brightness of all its moons. It was discovered in 1789 by English astronomer William and named for one of the giants of Greek mythology. Enceladus measures about 500 kilometers, that is 310 miles in diameter, and orbits Saturn in prograde, nearly circular path at the mean distance of 238,020 kilometers. 147,899 miles. Its average density is only 60% greater than that of water, which indicates that its interior contains appreciable amount of non-ice material. Its surface, which reflects essentially all of the light that strikes it, is basically smooth but includes cratered and grooved plains. The surface is almost pure water ice with trace amount of carbon dioxide, ammonia, and light hydrocarbons. Little was known about Enceladus until the flyby of US spacecraft Voyager 2 in 1981. Approaching as close as 87,000 kilometers (54,000 miles), the spacecraft returned images revealing that Enceladus is complex geologically, its surface having undergone five distinct evolutionary periods. Additional observation by the Cassini spacecraft, which in 2005 began a series of close flybys of Enceladus, confirmed that portions of Moon are geologically active today, with extremely high beat flow and associated eruptions of water vapor and ice from the plumes, especially apparent in its south pole region. The activity on Enceladus in the originates in the plum structure extends more than 4,000 from the surface of Moon. Temperature from active regions on Enceladus reach at least minus 93 degrees C, far higher than the expected temperature of about minus 200 degrees C. Jets within the plumes originate in the specific hot regions on the Tiger Strips. Several relatively craterless areas may be only 100 million years old, suggesting that the parts of surface melted and refroze in the recent geologic past, and that insect Enceladus may have had multiple active areas. Enceladus' current activity is responsible for Saturn's E-ring, a tenuous ring of micrometer-sized particles of water ice condensed from the vapor ejected by geysers. The particles are densest near Enceladus' orbit and are analogous to the cloud of orbiting particles ejected from Jupiter's volcanically active moon Io. The E-ring, however, appears to be much more extensive, reaching out to the orbit of Rhea and perhaps beyond. The orbital lifetimes of E ring particles are very short, perhaps only 10,000 years, but they are resupplied continuously by eruptions. The E rings, cores, Enceladus, and other major inner moons of Saturn to give them a bright appearance. Encle- Enceladus' 33-hour trip around Saturn is one half that of the more distant moon Dione. The two bodies are thus associated in an orbital resonance. Under certain circumstances, such a resonance can lead to large amount of tidal heating of inner of the involved moons, but it remains to be shown in detailed calculations how this mechanism could generate enough heating to account for continuing activity within Enceladus. Most models for activity on the Moon rely on liquid water in the interior of the Moon below the crust of ice. The existence of liquid water at the base of plumes is supported by several lines of evidence, including the high speed of individual particles in the jets and presence of sodium in the particles. Sodium and other minerals can exist in the water ice particles only if liquid water had been in contact with a rocky ocean bottom from which the minerals could have been dissolved. Not only is there likely water underneath the plumes, but measurements of Enceladus rotation show an ocean under the surface covering the entire globe. Analysis of silicate dust grains spewed from the plums point to existence of hydrothermal vents at the bottom of the ocean where water is heated by much hotter rocky material. Friends, I was also learning about these things first time. So I am also learning and sharing with you all in the form of video. And after narrating this, I am also feeling very good that I also got to know about Enceladus a lot. I'm sure you people must have known, and you can search on Google also. But this video is just an overview of what is Enceladus is the second nearest of major regular moons of Saturn and the brightest of all its moons. Okay? If you want to learn, if you want that we keep moving ahead, then please support and share the videos with the concerned person and who are interested in knowing the facts about the space and astronomy. And thank you so much for all the support you are giving. Love, love. Have a nice day.